Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You're crawling over red rock in Moab at sunrise. No engine roar, no exhaust fumes, no vibration through the floor. Just the crunch of tires, the sound of wind, and 620 pound-feet of instant electric torque quietly pulling you forward. That's the 2026 Jeep Recon Moab. And whether traditional Jeep fans are ready for it or not, this is one of the most important vehicles the brand has ever built. Let's get the key facts out immediately, because the numbers alone explain why this SUV is exploding in search results. Fully electric, 650 horsepower, 620 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds, 250-mile all-electric range, 33-inch factory all-terrain tires, trail-rated, starting at $65,000. Over 170 standard safety systems, removable doors, power-folding roof, waterproof interior. This isn't a soft EV crossover with Jeep badges. This is Jeep going all in. The Recon Moab is the brand's first fully electric trail-rated SUV. That matters. Trail-rated isn't marketing fluff. It's Jeep's internal certification for traction, water fording, articulation, maneuverability, and ground clearance. And Jeep knew that if their first electric off-roader failed that test, the backlash would be brutal. So they overbuilt it. The Moab trim is the one everyone's searching for, and it's easy to see why. It comes factory-equipped with 33-inch all-terrain tires, no upsell package, no dealer add-ons, proper rubber from day one. Paired with Jeep's Selec-Terrain system, the Recon adapts instantly to sand, snow, mud, rock, and more. Except now, instead of waiting for torque to build, electric motors deliver it instantly. That changes off-roading. Traditional rock crawling requires careful throttle modulation. With EV torque, it's immediate and precise. You don't rev, you don't build momentum, you inch forward with surgical control. And here's the surreal part. You're doing it in near silence. That silence is controversial. Some hardcore Jeep enthusiasts argue that the engine sound is part of the soul. And sure, there's emotion in a rumbling V6 climbing a trail. But there's also something powerful about exploring nature without disturbing it. No exhaust echoing through canyons, no fumes lingering in campsites, no mechanical roar interrupting wildlife. The Recon Moab reframes off-roading as coexistence rather than conquest. Performance-wise, let's not pretend this is just about sustainability. 650 horsepower in a trail-rated SUV is wild. 3.6 seconds to 60 in something with removable doors and 33-inch all-terrain tires? That's sports car territory. Instant torque transforms highway merges and dune climbs alike. And unlike traditional performance SUVs, you get that power without fuel consumption anxiety on short adventures. Now range. 250 miles isn't Tesla long-range territory, but context matters. Off-road driving consumes more energy. Jeep balanced battery weight, durability, and practicality. For most adventure buyers, 250 miles covers trail days, campsite access, and daily commuting comfortably. Fast charging infrastructure will matter here, especially for overland-style trips. But this isn't designed as a cross-country road trip king. It's designed as a capability-first EV. And then there's the open-air experience. Jeep understood something crucial. Electrification doesn't mean sterilization. The Recon Moab keeps fully removable doors, a power-folding roof, removable rear quarter glass. It looks modern, yes, aerodynamic, refined, but it doesn't abandon Jeep DNA. You can still feel the wind, you can still see the sky, you can still hose down the interior afterward. And yes, it's waterproof. The interior is built to handle mud, water crossings, unexpected rain. Materials feel premium, but durable. Jeep didn't make it fragile, they made it usable. Over 170 standard safety systems also come baked in. That's a quiet evolution of the brand. Trail machines used to be bare bones. Now you get adaptive cruise, advanced driver assistance, collision systems, and more, without compromising ruggedness. Starting at $65,000, it's not cheap, but it's also not outrageous considering the tech, power, and capability bundled together. Now let's talk about the elephant in the desert. Is an electric Jeep truly a Jeep? That debate is going to rage for years, but here's the uncomfortable truth. Torque, control, and traction define off-road capability more than engine noise does, and electric drivetrains are insanely good at torque delivery. The Recon Moab doesn't feel like a compromise when you're crawling. It feels like evolution. The low center of gravity from the battery pack improves stability on inclines. The instant torque reduces the need for aggressive throttle inputs. It's controlled, predictable, smooth. It doesn't feel like a Wrangler replacement. It feels like a parallel path. Jeep isn't killing the gas Wrangler tomorrow. They're expanding the definition of what trail-rated means. And that's smart, because there's a new type of buyer emerging, the modern explorer. Someone who wants capability, wants performance, wants sustainability, wants technology, but doesn't want to sacrifice authenticity. The Recon Moab bridges that gap. Of course, it's not perfect. Range anxiety in remote areas is real. Charging infrastructure near deep trail systems still needs development. Long expeditions will require planning. Battery weight adds mass, though it's cleverly distributed. Traditionalists will miss mechanical simplicity, but progress always challenges tradition. The real question isn't whether this is the most hardcore Jeep ever. The real question is whether it accomplishes its mission, and that mission is clear. Deliver Wrangler-level capability with zero tailpipe emissions. From what we know, it does exactly that. This vehicle also signals something bigger. Jeep isn't dabbling in electrification, they're committing. And if the Recon Moab succeeds, expect electrified variants of every core Jeep product to follow with more confidence. The Recon Moab isn't a new model, it's a test case for the future of off-roading. Can you have extreme performance and environmental responsibility in the same machine? Can 650 horsepower coexist with silent trails? Can sustainability feel powerful instead of restrictive? Jeep believes the answer is yes. And honestly, after looking at the specs, the engineering decisions, and the philosophy behind it, they might be right. This is not a compliance EV. It's not a watered-down experiment. It's not a marketing checkbox. It's a statement. For buyers who want to enjoy nature without overwhelming it. For explorers who want silence without sacrificing strength. For drivers who want 3.6-second acceleration and rock-crawling articulation in the same vehicle. The 2026 Jeep Recon Moab is bold, controversial, and undeniably significant. And whether you love it or question it, you're going to be hearing about it for a long time.